Kingston College, or KC, is represented this evening by Roger Banton, Nikolai Downer, Giovanni Thompson, and team captain Jaquan Martin. While Cornwall College, or CC, is represented this evening by team captain Alex Shaw, Enrico McKenzie, Jordan Forrester, and Justin Brackett. Only one of these teams will move on to the quarterfinals. Hello and welcome to the second match in round 3 of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Manu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge, but do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the action. It's time for the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. KC won and decided to go first. So we begin with Kingston College. The section lasts for 4 minutes. Let's get that time on the clock, please. We have it, KC. So we'll begin with geography. What is the name of the German-speaking 25-kilometer-long principality between Austria and Switzerland? No, it's Liechtenstein. Geography for Cornwall College. Which country in Eastern Europe is bordered by Romania to the west and Ukraine to the north, east, and south?
Romania to the west. Hungary. Moldova.
That's right. International affairs, a visual one for KC. Look at the monitor, gentlemen, and identify which country's flag is displayed. Niger, correct. International affairs for Cornwall. Look at the monitor, identify which country's flag is displayed.
That is Djibouti.
No, it's Equatorial Guinea. Chemistry for Kingston College. Which organic compound has the formula C5H12?
Pentane.
Is correct. Chemistry for Cornwall. Which organic chemical compound has the molecular formula C6H6?
Benzene.
That's right. Music and audio on 4KC. Listen to the following clip. Identify the singer, please.
George Michael.
Careless Whisper. Correct. Music for CC. Listen to the following clip. Identify this group.
Begging, I'm on my knees.
Maroon 5.
Sugar, correct. Mathematics for Kingston College. What is the difference between 200 squared and 197 squared?
1091.
1191. Mathematics for Cornwall. What is the difference between 400 squared and 398 squared?
Alright, so 798. 1,596.
That would be.
That is
1,596.
That's right. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Kingston College. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Go with
Mike.
Mads Mikkelsen.
No, it's Viggo Mortensen. Theatre and cinema for Cornwall. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
That is Ian McKellen.
Ian McKellen.
Yes. Ian McKellen.
Sir Ian McKellen, correct. History for KC. In what year was the Anglo-Dutch Treaty signed between Great Britain and the Netherlands?
Year. The Anglo-Dutch Treaty.
1784.
1784.
No, 1814. History for Cornwall. In what year did Britain and the United States ban the Atlantic slave trade?
Okay, ban.
Yeah, man, ban.
1807.
1807.
That's right. Sport, a visual one for KC. Look at the monitor. Identify this former football star.
Luis Figo.
That's right. Sport for Cornwall. Look at the monitor. Identify this former football star.
Andres Iniesta.
That's right. Physics for KC. What is the name for a unit of length primarily used to measure subatomic particles that is equal to 10 to the minus 10 meters?
10 meters.
Angstrom.
That's right. Physics for Cornwall. What is the name for a subatomic particle such as a proton or a neutron, each of which is usually made of 3 quarks?
Wait, nuclear?
Nucleon.
Nuclear.
No, Baryon. Spanish for KC. What is the English translation for this question? ¿Cuál es tu dirección de correo electrónico?
What is the electrician's address?
No, what is your email address? Spanish for Cornwall. What is the English translation of this question? ¿Cuándo es tu cumpleaños?
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
That's right, information, and that's the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge. Scores in the match look to be Kingston College on 5 points, Cornwall College taking the early lead on 8. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. Schools Challenge quiz returns right after these messages.